In this video, I will show you how to delete your Beehiiv account. To do this, just go and open up Beehiiv and in the top right, click on your profile picture or the Beehiiv logo if you don't have a profile picture set. From there, go to Account Security, and here you can see Account Profile Deletion. Deleting your workspace automatically removes your account profile. These actions occur together to ensure all your data is properly managed. So just click Take me to my workspace settings, and then down here you can see Delete Workspace. Now here you're just going to confirm by clicking on Delete. So after the workspace is deleted, you will be logged out, and as it said earlier, they will also delete your profile. So if you want to confirm, just click Delete, and you may need to enter a verification code or something like that. And from there you will have deleted your Beehiiv account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.